To sign up for an Orange Connex account, click on Need an Account. Enter your details and read and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Verify your account by clicking the link sent to your email address within 30 minutes. And then you can log in to the Orange Connex portal. Once you're logged in, you'll see your profile. There are 3 steps to complete your profile information. Step 1. Fill out your profile information. This will also include adding your VAT number and uploading a copy of your VAT certificate. Step 2. Set up your storage country and accept the terms and conditions. Step 3. Link your eBay account. Watch the next video for details about how to do this.
Get more tips and guidance from the eBay team by subscribing to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.